So now actually I'm just trying to go on this cross join. So it's a very easiest way on cross join. So we can go with the cross join now. Who is a cross join? So as of now, we are working on matched record only. Who's a matched record? If these two table, in this table also having one common column, in this table also we have the one common column. If it is matching, then actually the matched record will display. Okay, so like that actually we are working. But in cross join, there is a no any matched record. It's not required any matched record. We are studying on like in our schooling days, we have studied one concept. You understand? You know that actually I'm just to make it those concept as well. I just showed that concept. So we have this kind of two places. Like here also we have one box, and here also we have one box. You can put us here 1, 2, 3. Here also we have the like we just mentioned as here A, B, C. So you can see one is not matched with A. So 1 equal to 1, it is 1 equal to A, it is not matching. Even though what will happen? So 1 is to A. Like this, the output will come. 1 is to A. Same, like what will happen? This 1 is to B. Like this also it will come. So this is actually we are studying on our schooling days. Like this is one of the max actually we have. So these all record has been matched with all this another table 1 is to C. So you can see all this record has been matched with this table. So, sorry, this table. So whatever the records has been present into here, all these records going to be matched with this table. Usually what will happen? So matched record only will display. So one it is there in this place means it should be matching 1, then only it's coming to the display. But cross join is not required for any matched records. It just displaying for the whoever having this record, it just matching with this place as well. So now the 2 is to A, 2 is to B, 2 is to C. Then the final one is a our 3. So 3 is to A, 3 is to B, 3 is to C. Like this, what's happened? All 3 rows has been matched with all these 3 rows as well. For that right side table and left side table, both actually what actually it is doing. So left side table, it is a right side table. Both records has been matching. Then it just going to be displaying. This is what actually the cross join. So we can easily understand one thing. If it is cross join means here also 3 rows, here also 3 rows, we can make it as a multiply. So 3 into 3 will comes as a 9 records. So this is a 9 records. So this is how actually the cross join will work. So whatever the records has been present into here, all those records has been matched with that all other table records as well. So this is what actually the cross join is working to us. I'm just going to working out how this cross join will works into in this query place. I'm just copied for the Oracle method into this cross join. I just copied this Oracle method. So this is what actually the join we are mentioning the plus symbol as a left side. So this join is a right side join. If I remove this this plus symbol, what will happen? So now actually what is a join for this? Now this join is calling as a inner join. If you are adding the plus symbol, without adding the plus symbol, that is a inner join. You can see just simply add the command var class, nothing will be having the another conditions, right? It's a simply the inner join. So how can we have to convert that inner join into the cross join? So I already told cross join will never check the condition, which means 1 equal to, if it is there is any 1 will there, so then only it is going to be display. That is what actually the condition. But in this place we do not want to check any condition. We can just simply whatever the rows has been present into here, that actually that however what we have, you just displaying however it is looks like. So that is what actually the cross join. So it is not going to be checking the condition, right? Then why we need record for this var class? Var class having the condition phase. So without adding the condition, we just had like this. That's enough. So this is what actually the cross join is telling to us. So now I can see I just trying to execute this cross join query. Now you can see simply what will happen, whatever the rows has been present into here, all those rows has been multiplied with this place as well. So you can see overall how many rows has coming. So 9 rows, because you can see how many rows has been present into the left side table. We have the 3, and also in right side also we have the 3. So all 3 has been matched with all these 3 places, this one, this one, this one, and this one, like that it will come. So all 3 rows has been matched with all 3 rows of the right side table. Then the result will comes as a 9 records. So this is what actually the cross join. So cross join is nothing which is multiplying with whatever the rows has been present into the left side table. It just matched with all the matches with the right side table as well. So this is what actually the cross join. So we are just written into the cross join as a oracle method. So this is the oracle method. Now we can go is here. Now we can go to the what is it? Another method is here, our ANSI method. So you just copy that ANSI method of that previous table and I just put it into here. So how we can change that cross join into the ANSI method? You do not want to mention anything. You just remove this join name into here. Instead of the join name, you can put as a cross join. That's enough. It's a more than enough. So cross join, it's not required for this condition. So you do not want to mention any condition. If you are using for any condition, it throws the error only. So just remove this condition into here and you can directly go to the ANSI method. So just I'm copied in this code and I'm going into place. Now you can see all those record has been matched with this all the records like a 9 records. Whatever the records has been present into the left side table, it's just matching with the right side table. So like that. So you can see this SQL will comes to 3 times. So SQL Steven, SQL Nina, SQL Lex, like this Java also coming 3 times. Unix also is coming 3 times, which means like every records, each and every individual record has been matched with that the another table as well. So this is what actually our cross join. So as of now we are done for the all other joins. There is only one join is left. We will study that later as well. So inner join we are done, outer join and cross join also we have done.